Burgdorf hot spring. Really pretty. Everything's like 200 years old. Look at this.
Look at this.
This is the business end of the hot spring. This is where it all starts. It comes out of the earth here, and it flows into that tub, and then out the other end. Then it flows into a bathtub. Ground level, hottest pool at Burgdorf. This thing is a lobster pot. That's crazy.
All right, got some nav to do up here. All right, that was really cool. Turns out it's going to be an out and back. I could not find that trail to link it up. That wasn't a trail. I can approach where I wanted to go from a different direction up here, so I'm not too worried about it. Pretty right in. I'm going to take it to Scenic Campground via Secesh, I think. That was neat. I was getting a drink back there. Wow, that's something else. What am I seeing down there? Those are all stacked up even. That's odd. Should be a bridge at some point at the bottom of this. Another mile and a half. So crazy. It just looks like it disappears because it's a little bit above your eye level. Wowza. Dropping in. I know from past there's really good traction on those type of rocks. Should be about a 3/4 of a mile from the bridge. Wow. Switchy. We're losing ground. Another switchy. No joke. That may be the Secesh River down there. Hey, look at that.
Dang, look at that.
Neutral. First time that's happened today. Usually good for one a ride. Sloppy. Think you got a little panic. Conservative effort for sure on this one. That's some exposure. Why try to ride the side of that rock? Pretty flowers. Little bridge. About 3 miles from the campground. Chopping it up. Wow. Don't feel like I'm drinking enough water today. Sweet. It's weird to be going down and having to try to look up. Hey, chunky monkey. Wow, air freshener smell. This is chill here. That exposure stuff is not my fave. This is nice. this trail is chill. Looks like some weather up there. I got my jacket with me just in case. I actually started with my jacket and peeled it off. Shorty crunk. Woo! Gonna play with you again. 3, 6, 9. Dang, this trail's fine. Woo! Suck it. We should be there. I should be at that campground right now. I'm in the zone now. I don't know why it takes me 2 hours to ride to start feeling good. Hey, look at that! Yo! Hell yeah! Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Wowza to the wowza. You know, anglers, you're in bull trout country. Be sure you can identify them. They may not be kept or possession can result in a $2 million fine. If you don't know, be safe and let her go. Yo! Let's see if we can beat this weather back to camp. Not too far off. Really great ride today. That was a lot of fun. Probably, I don't know, 35 miles total. Hey, I want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch this here video. That sure was a neat experience. I just love coming back here in the backcountry and recreating, and I really do get a sense of satisfaction when I can complete a loop and the nav. It sure is fun. Hey, if you like this content, please consider subscribing, or at least think about checking back in. We got a lot of stuff going on this summer. Hey, we survived. Woo! What's that dog doing?
She's napping.
Where is she?
We tried going outside, but it's just so damn buggy.
Oh my gosh, Steph. Hello, Bee. I made it back. Hey, baby buns. Well, that was a lot of fun, Steph.